Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you another Estetica wig. This one's called Abigail, and this is also a natural wig, so it has a lace front, and this one also has a monofilament side part. The color on Abigail is R6/28F. I actually really love this color. The base shade is a chestnut brown, which is really pretty, and then the highlight shade is a really nice, I mean, it's not like a crazy 28. Some 28s and some other wig lines are like really bright orangey reds. This is not the case here. It's just kind of like a nice, kind of like a dark strawberry blonde color. So very pretty there. Just a light auburn highlight on top of the chestnut. Now this wig has a lot of curls going on, and because this is a sample wig, I'm not going to comb it through. But if this were my wig, I would comb it with a wide tooth comb to kind of break up some of these curls a little bit so it looks a little less wiggy. But this will give you a good idea of what it looks like right out of the box, as well as what the potential of the wig is, how the curls actually look when you first put the wig on. So Abigail's super cute. The cap is actually really stretchy. And it's pretty darn long. I mean, I would almost consider this a boob hugger, but it doesn't quite go down long enough. The nape is 14.75 inches. It's a very nice length. The sides are 11.75. And then the crown is 13.25, so the longest layer in the back actually will be around here. And then the front is 9 inches, which is definitely meant to be swept off to the side. And it does not have a noticeable curl of its own. So it's another one of those wigs that has, you know, just a little bit of a shape to the front here, but not curled all the way at the top. So the tops are relatively straight, and then the curl pattern starts right around the ears. So if that gives you an indication of what this does. It's 4.7 ounces, which is a nice weight for a wig that has this texture and this length. That seems appropriate for a wig like this. The Estetica fiber is kind of dry. By that I mean it doesn't have as much silicone on top of it, but that helps keep the shine down. So it actually has a very natural sheen to it, which is very nice because then you don't really have to do anything to try to tame the shine if you're one of those people that's like really hyper aware of the shine factor. I mean, it doesn't bother everybody, but some people it does. I think this is a really cute wig. Has lots of layering, lots of curls. I think this is basically their replacement for the Tiffany wig, which they discontinued. I really loved Tiffany. Tiffany had more curls that started right around here, but Abigail is very pretty. So this would make a nice wig for anybody who misses Tiffany and is looking for a good replacement. So here's what this one looks like from the sides. I move my chair back just a little bit. And then here's what this one looks like in the back. Very nice natural movement. Lots of layering. Fair amount of hair. I'd say this is a natural amount of hair. I just finished reviewing some of Envy's new offerings, and whoa, do they give you a lot of hair. But this particular one has a very natural amount of volume. I think that this one's really super duper pretty on. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in on the lace front. So now you can see that lace front. It's very natural looking. It's not too dense. It reminds me a little bit of John Renault's lace fronts as opposed to like Envy's and Henry Margou's, which tend to be really thick. And then kind of hard to show you the mono part without breaking up these curls, so I'll just show you from the other side of the wig. Alright, so now I'm going to take this one off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Here is another look at the beautiful curls on Abigail. Huge barrel curls, very loose, very on trend, very feminine and pretty. And again, a look at that color. It's very pretty, has some very pretty highlights, but it isn't like, whoa, in your face highlighted. The back of this wig is pretty stretchy. The perimeter is very stretchy. Has a hook enclosure to help you adjust it. ear tabs are covered up with just a soft fabric. The lace front, you can see that the permatease lives right here, and that here is where the mono part is. So well done mono part there. Very, very pretty color. Most of the highlighting is concentrated towards the front. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back on. This one goes on like a dream. It's just very stretchy. Very comfortable cap. Very easy to wear. And because of that dedicated mono part, it just falls right into place. So let me make sure that the ear tabs are in the right spot. Lace front doesn't have any hair under it. And boom. This is the Abigail wig from Estetica in the color R6/28F. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye. Oh, yeah. And check out my wig store. www.CysterWigs, CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.